got that back plate thing off. Here, I'm gonna try to slide the C-clip in there. That's it. Yeah, now just need to push it down into the glue. And it should actually sit right down. I'm not saying right down. The bottom thing is not all the way. There we go. That should be all the way done. Glue right in. That's the C-clips right in. That's locked in place. So yeah, you can see it. Yeah, can't actually see it. But you can see it. Here we are. There we are. So now I put that plate back on, and back to the plan A to finish it off. Yeah, I could have done it like that as well, without taking it off. Never mind. Button. Fine. I'm going to screw this back on, drop it down. Then we need to put these back on as well. That bearing goes on the front side of it. This ratchet monkey, so hard to turn. I just use that to screw it in, not actually tightening it, because most of the time it breaks. The